Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Flexible Ducts is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in any HVAC system, playing a crucial role in ensuring efficient air distribution throughout your home or workspace. And today we're diving deep into what makes a flexible duct truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for optimal comfort and energy savings. Number 5. VIVOSUN 4-inch Flexible Aluminum Ducting. This flexible ducting is designed to seamlessly connect your air circulation systems. It's perfect for moving air between spaces and ensures a tight, leak-proof fit with compatible fans. Crafted from premium aluminum, it offers excellent resistance to high temperatures and corrosion. The included stainless steel clamps are rust-proof and heavy-duty, ensuring a secure and long-lasting connection. Featuring a multi-layer design, this ducting is more robust and leak-resistant than single-layer options. The fire-retardant aluminum foil layers and protective PET thermoplastic middle layer enhance its longevity and safety. With a built-in steel wire, it's easily shaped and extended to fit your specific needs. Its lightweight and portable design allows for convenient installation anywhere, and the included clamps make setup a breeze. Ideal for both residential and commercial use, it's perfect for HVAC systems, bathroom and kitchen exhaust, dryer vents, and even cooling equipment rooms. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of ventilation projects. What we like. This ducting offers superior durability with its multi-layer construction, resisting leaks and tears. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum and heavy-duty clamps ensure a secure, long-lasting connection. If you need a robust and reliable solution for demanding ventilation tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The flexible duct is easy to install and fits snugly. It effectively directs airflow and doesn't kink easily. The material feels durable and holds its shape well. Number 4. Funmit Dryer Vent Hose Kit. This dryer vent hose is designed for efficient air circulation. It's perfect for connecting appliances like dryers and range hoods, ensuring optimal airflow where you need it. Our vent duct features a robust 3-layer fireproof structure. This design offers excellent heat resistance, meeting stringent environmental requirements for safe operation. Installing this hose is a breeze. With its flexible design and included clamps, you can easily secure it to your exhaust equipment in just a few simple steps. Crafted from high-quality, rigorously tested materials, this hose ensures stable and safe gas transportation. It's built to last and comply with international quality standards. From Funmit, a globally recognized brand in home accessories. We stand by the quality of our products, offering confidence in your purchase. Its flexible aluminum foil construction allows for easy bending and fitting. The universal design ensures compatibility with most standard dryer vent connections. What we like. Featuring a 3-layer fireproof structure and a wide temperature resistance range, this hose prioritizes safety and performance. The brand also offers a 365-day warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a safe, reliable option with excellent customer support, this is the one to consider. What people say. The duct is flexible and easy to maneuver around corners. It holds its shape well once installed, preventing kinks. The material seems durable and resistant to tearing. Number 3. HOOMESUN 4-inch Heavy-Duty Dryer Vent Hose. Tired of flimsy hoses? Ours features 6 thickened layers, offering superior puncture resistance compared to standard 3-layer options. It's built to last. Don't worry about overheating. This duct hose can safely handle temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance even with high heat dryers. Get set up in no time. With included clamps and tape, its flexible and self-extending design makes installation simple, even in tight spots. Experience enhanced exhaust capacity thanks to its smart design. This means less wobble and noise, providing a quieter and more efficient operation. Beyond dryers, it's perfect for HVAC systems, grow tents, and laser printing rooms. Enjoy efficient ventilation wherever you need it. Everything you need is in the box. We've included 2 heavy-duty clamps and a roll of aluminum foil tape for a secure and proper seal. Its flexible 4-inch diameter and 3-foot stretchable length make it ideal for maneuvering in confined areas. Maintain excellent airflow without compromise. What we like. Boasting an exceptional 6-ply construction, this duct hose is highly resistant to punctures and can handle high temperatures. Its flexible design makes it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces. If you have limited room or frequently encounter potential damage to your ducting, this product offers enhanced durability. What people say. The duct is flexible and easy to maneuver around corners and tight spaces. It holds its shape well once positioned, which is great for maintaining airflow. The material feels durable and has withstood some rough handling without tearing. Number 2. Cenipar 4-inch Flexible Aluminum Dryer Vent Hose. Experience superior durability with our multi-layer construction. It's crafted from flame-retardant materials and reinforced with a steel wire helix for lasting structural integrity. This hose is built to withstand common dryer temperatures, making it perfect for various ventilation needs. Don't worry about accidental damage. Its heavy-duty aluminum foil and reinforced steel wire helix construction means it resists punctures and crushing. Unlike flimsy hoses, it maintains its shape even when bent or stepped on, preventing leaks and collapses. Achieve faster drying times and save energy. The smooth inner bore and optimized wire helix spacing reduce air resistance, allowing for better airflow. This helps your dryer run more efficiently, reducing moisture buildup. Installation is a breeze, even in tight spaces. This hose comes in a convenient one-piece length, ready to be cut to your desired size. It includes stainless steel clamps for a secure, airtight seal, and can be installed in under 10 minutes with no special tools. This versatile hose is suitable for a wide range of ventilation projects, from clothes dryers to kitchen hoods and grow tents. Plus, we offer 12 months of after-sales support to ensure you have a worry-free experience. What we like. This duct hose is engineered for faster drying with significantly less pressure drop due to its smoother inner bore. It comes in a convenient one-piece length for easier installation. If you're looking to improve your dryer's efficiency, save energy, and reduce drying times, this is a great option. What people say. The ducting is flexible and easy to maneuver around corners and tight spaces. It holds its shape well once positioned, which is great for maintaining airflow. The material seems durable and resistant to kinks, ensuring a long lifespan. Number 1. TerraBloom 4-inch Aluminum Flex Duct. Introducing the TerraBloom 4-inch Aluminum Flex Duct, a versatile solution for all your ventilation needs. This 25-foot-long ducting provides ample length for various applications. Built to last, its robust 3-layer design includes a heat-reflective aluminum layer, a protective PET covering, and a steel wire helix. This ensures durability and maintains its shape, preventing rips and holes. Experience effortless setup with its super flexible design. It easily connects to your duct fan, vent exhaust, carbon filter, or light reflector, and includes clamps for a secure fit. With a 4-inch diameter and a total length of 25 feet, this ducting can be easily cut to your desired size. Perfect for any air circulation requirement. This ducting is perfect for a wide range of uses, including HVAC systems, kitchens, grow rooms, bathrooms, and dryer rooms. It efficiently moves and delivers air wherever you need it. Improve air quality and temperature control in your home or grow space. Its reliable performance makes it an essential component for any ventilation setup. What we like. Built with a 3-layer tough construction, this ducting is designed to resist rips and pinholes, offering good durability. It comes in a generous 25-foot length that can be cut to size, providing flexibility for various applications. If you need a versatile and cost-effective solution for general ventilation needs, this value-sized option is ideal. What people say. The duct is flexible and easy to maneuver around corners. It holds its shape well once installed, preventing kinks. The material seems durable and resistant to tearing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.